Oh, it was one second. It was one question on WhatsApp. Oh, it was remember, it was a Birkat Hamazon. So the question is, okay, the person ate in a restaurant. Doesn't matter in a restaurant. He ate or she ate in somebody else's house, or ate even in a house, and then they start driving, go to, I don't know, to the parents' house or wherever they're going. So the question is, if people forgot to say Birkat Hamazon, what to do? There are many details to this law, but I'm going to give you the highlights. So the most proper thing to do is to go back and say Birkat Hamazon in a place where you ate, right? And this halachah pertains not only to Birkat Hamazon, it's actually the same halachah if you ate mizonos, if you ate cake, you ate cookies. So let's say you ate cookies in the office, in your job, and now you're going home, so it's proper to go to the office. Okay, so if person cannot go for whatever reason, so the next best option is to go to the next place, your destination, and eat a little, right? Eat kizayis. Kizayis is 1 ounce, 28 grams, approximately. And then you can say Birkat Hamazon in the next place, in a different place. The next option, so if you, for example, if a person cannot go back for whatever reason, right, and the time is going to run out, even if he can go back, but by the time you're going to get back to the original place, it would be too late to say Birkat Hamazon, because as we said in our Halachos of Brachas class, we have like 72 minutes. That depends on the meal, but in average you have 72 minutes in which you can say Birkat Hamazon and other after blessing, right? So after the fact, if you don't have anything, so okay, you can say Birkat Hamazon in a new place, but it's only after the fact. But one more time, the first choice is to return and say Birkat Hamazon there. Second choice, to eat in a new destination, minimum kizayis, so you wash your hands, you say the blessing because you did not intend to eat there, right? So you say new blessing. And after you ate kizayis, you can say Birkat Hamazon or ala michia if you ate cake. And just to add to it, again, I'm not going to deep into halachah, but that's like basics. Some our sages say that even if you ate one of the 5 species, they call it 7 species, but it's 5. That 5 fruits that the land of Israel blessed with, which is what? If you ate grapes, if you have figs, dates, pomegranate, or olives. So if you ate one of those, they say, yeah, you also have to go back and say the after blessing there. And there are some also say that, I think it's, this wine is also in this category. I think the same poskim say that even for wine, you have to go back and say the blessing there. So the proper way, of course, do not leave from anywhere. So we have to train ourselves not to leave anywhere until you say the blessing. That's it. That's the proper way, right? And if you don't have enough time, so make your meal shorter. That's what I do. Make my meal shorter. I'm trying to eat bread, and I know that I have to finish by this time, so I have so much time to eat. That's it. So by this time, I stop eating and I start Birkat Hamazon because I need so many minutes to say Birkat Hamazon. That's straightforward. Okay.